So I've actually been enjoying myself this afternoon, and now they're here. Right here. There's absolutely nothing by my house. We have cactus. We have like floral plants, but there's nothing that needs construction. They're just noise blasting me right now because they know that I might want to sleep because they woke me up at 6:30. This is with the window closed. I'll show you what it's like with it open. Right? It's just to interrogate you. It's just to make you go crazy. You know, with the red. This guy just doing nothing. He's back for no reason. Doesn't do anything. There's nothing to below. You've seen the neighborhood. It's completely perfect in landscaping. This is just criminal fucking shit. And I hope that you guys stop it. You see this red car that's just parked right here. It's like they're like mentally ill. They're mentally ill. They have mental disorders. They have narcissistic disorders. They want to attempt to murder me. They want to kill me. It doesn't matter.